Hello friends. Welcome to our channel TechTricksWorld. I have an Excel file of student data, and there are so many students' names in that. The problem is I have to create folders for each student name. If I do manually like this will take a lot of time which I don't have. But there is nothing to worry about, because I know a great trick for it. Let's see how to create this many folders in just a matter of few seconds. First of all, go to the Excel file. Right-click and add new column next to student name. Now, here, type this command. And you will see with the name there is MD added. Now, copy the same for all the names. Now, select the data of column C and copy this by pressing Ctrl C. Now, press Window R and type Notepad. Hit Enter. This will launch Notepad. Now, paste that data here. Save the file with test.bat anywhere on your computer. Now, you will see a test.bat file created. Double-click on that file, and you will see within a few seconds there are all the folders created. This is amazing. But, if you see there is a problem. We have all the student names in the sheet with last name, but folders created just with first name. So, let's try something else. First, delete these folders and everything. Now, again go back to the sheet. Remove the column C data. Now, write this command here as I am doing. Once you are done, you will see this time after MD, the name is having double quotes. Now, copy the same for all the names. Then repeat the process. Copy the column C data, launch Notepad, and paste them there. Now, save the file as test.bat. Replace the old test.bat. You will see test.bat file there. Double-click on that, and you will see the folders are created. And this time, folders are created with both first name and last name. Isn't this amazing? I hope this trick can save a lot of your time. Thank you so much for watching this video.